Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, like you saw in another video, we got a mail call from Johnny Slicks. So stay tuned after we roll the intro. I'm going to tell you everything that came in that box. Okay, looks like my camera's getting wonky on me, but that's okay. I want to thank all of you for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to take one moment here and just address you guys real quick. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for finding this video. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, but I'm very, very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, look down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, click on it. It's going to bring up subscribe. Knock it out the way early. You're going to want to because, man, we're growing. We're having a lot of fun. We do things really differently here, and I would love to have you along for the ride. All right, guys, today, as you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at Maple Slicks, well, Johnny Slicks, Maple Slicks Organic Pomade. The other thing that came in that box was the last video I just did. The beard oil came with it, the matching set. But we've already filmed this one. Now it's his turn. Alright guys, if you're unfamiliar with Johnny Slicks, that's okay. I'm going to give you a really quick breakdown on the company. I think that's kind of important because, you know, there may be some things in there that make you want to buy. Now, you can find them at www.johnnyslicks.com. They are made in the USA out of Holly Ridge, North Carolina. They are 100% veteran-owned. Both Johnny and his business partner, Nick Comalazos, are former United States Marine Corps. Semper Fi, Devil Dogs. Chesty's damn proud of you. They are 100% organic. Everything that goes into his products is safe to put on your body. Johnny is very passionate about that. Matter of fact, it's one of the reasons he created his own company. Because his hair was falling out from using other companies' products, and he went, there's got to be something better. Did a little research, and boom, Johnny Slicks was born. Now, they are 100% accredited by the Triple B, or the Better Business Bureau. So they are the first, I think it's like beard care, skin care, hair care, 100% veteran owned, 100% former Marine Corps. So that's like huge accomplishments right there. Now, Johnny started off on his quest in July 2016. But as he likes to go, you know, after his stalking got done and him and Nick partnered up, or as I love to give him credit and go, he made it to the show in February of 2018. That's when he really started to take off and really do amazing things. Now, I first learned about Johnny via Nick Comalazos' YouTube video. Totally forgot about him until I saw a Facebook ad, and that's exactly where the fun has started, from that Facebook ad. Now, his pomade jar comes in, 4-ounce container. It's going to run you 15 bucks. Now, I know this is going to go, what the heck, with some of you. I've only used it a couple times, all right? But I will say, it holds up to the exact same quality, that I would expect from a Johnny Slicks product. It is seriously identical to the consistency and everything else for every other pomade we've ever brought to the channel. Now, speaking of beard care products like that, because you can use his two ways. Seriously, you can use this in your beard. It's going to give you a very light hold, and man, it nourishes the crap out of your beard. But like I was saying, speaking of that, look up top. You're going to see a card for every single Johnny Slicks product and every single beard care product we've ever brought to the channel. You're going to find a lot of good stuff from Johnny in there. I have made it my mission to review every single thing he releases. I'm falling behind on a couple things, but I'm pretty much at 90% at this point. Now, as far as the ingredients go, it's got, as you can see right there, beeswax, coconut oil, tea tree oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, and body safe fragrance. Guys, the smell on this thing, it's seriously like maple syrup and pecan pie made a love child. It really truly is. It is an amazing seasonal scent, and I'm going to tell you, when you wear it, you're going to get hungry. It happened to me. I was seriously like, God bless it, I want pie. What the F is going on? Why am I so hungry? Because that's all I could smell was that delicious goodness of this pomade all day long, putting those scents in my head going, oh my God, Thanksgiving Day. Oh, where's the pie? Yes, Fat Boy was happy. Now, pomade is just like beard balm. Well, how to apply it's real simple. All right? Basically, as you see in there, Get your finger in there, get your thumb in there, get whatever amount you need. This is what I do. Get it in my hand, rub them together, and then just apply. And then you groom it out. It will give you a great hold. If you have damp hair, it's going to be less of a hold. If you have dry hair, it's going to give you more of a hold. Or if you don't have anything like I do, it's going to give you neat shine in certain areas and make your head smell freaking great. But down here, like I said, with your beard, it acts kind of like a beard balm, but a very light hold beard balm. But man, does it nourish the crap out of your beard. My beard feels soft, it feels supple, it feels great all day long. And I've been using Johnny's products for a while, and I gotta admit, whenever I want something to have some hold that day, or just, I'll be honest, sometimes at night I apply it and use it as a beard butter. It's never failed. It has just never ever failed. And I do have to tell you, this is a fall seasonal item, so sooner or later it's going to be off his web store until he brings it back the next fall season. Which for Johnny, I think, started early, and, you know, giving him crap, going, what, you just wanted pumpkin back really, really quick? Johnny? But that's all right. Now, this one has been reviewed 5 times on his web store. Now, his other pomades have a lot of reviews too, but like I said, it's a seasonal item. So it's only been reviewed 5 times, and they've rated it 5 out of 5 stars. Now, this is what gets me. You sit and you go, okay, so former military is getting his buddies together, right? No, not at all. I went and looked through every single one, and they were all, you know, different speech patterns, different whatever. Because I'll admit, as a reviewer, I look for that stuff. I want to see if someone's flubbing things or, you know, skewing stats. You know, kind of like I talk about with Gerber when I do my everyday carry series for, you know, knives. And if you're curious about that, look up top. There's a card for every single EDC affordable blade I've ever brought to my channel. You will see lots of options in there with Gerber, and you will see exactly what I'm talking about with skewing the stats. Alright, so I think I've covered the high points and the great parts, but guys, seriously, here's the best part of the video for me. Alright? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. Seriously, have you used Johnny Slicks before? Have you used Johnny Slicks Pomade before? Have you used the Maple Slicks? What is your experiences with it? You know, because sometimes your comments and your experiences can help other people who are watching this video down the road make up their mind about certain things. I've been hooked on them since I started trying the product. His customer service is amazing. I love the fact he's down to earth. And yeah, he even came on, you know, my Instagram channel a while ago. And we had a great, like, almost 2-hour talk just about his company, his products, where they're going, where they've been, you know, all that fun stuff. So stay tuned. We're getting him back on the channel. We are. Seriously, we are. But now this is going on way too long. And by the way, half-paid tribute, Mama Slicks, you raised a hell of a son. Seriously, be proud of yourself. You raised a damn good man who's doing incredible in business. But for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Like I said in the beginning, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very flattered you chose this one. Okay? Now, for you first-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it as well, look right down there. Going to be a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to pull up subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, that's right, you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My babbling, ranting fun. Johnny Slicks, Maple Slicks. You might want to get it before it's gone. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.